It is so cold. Not my favorite kind of weather today, but I did have an excellent sleep last night, and I actually let myself sleep in until 7, which that is a sleep in for me. I'm normally up much earlier than that. It's actually been a little bit crazy here in terms of like going to a grocery store and things. I was going to go to the markets this morning, but I actually don't know if they'll be on because it's too many people in one space. And I actually haven't been able to buy pasta. There's so much stuff I haven't been able to get. So we're gonna make the best out of the situation, and I'm actually gonna make some homemade ravioli today. I thought that would be really nice. So I'm actually just gonna duck down to a little fruit and veg shop, pick up some butternut squash, or pumpkin as we call it here, and then I need to go to the butcher as well and pick up a little bit of chicken.
What's this?
Experiment.
Experiment.
Okay. It looks like this chicken, which I like.
Yes. So the ravioli has butternut squash, so butternut pumpkin, garlic, and dried sage leaves. Then there's chicken.
Homemade pasta, like actually handmade.
From scratch.
I can't get the pasta bit yet.
Well, we probably need to.
It's so big.
I know.
Does it taste any good?
It's actually really good.
Really good?
It's like flavour overload. Some restaurant action. You can leave now, just eat the rest.
Hello, we're skipping forward a few days. I feel like since I spoke to you guys last, the quarantine stuff is a little bit different now. Like, it's weird. I feel like our government's being really slow and everything's still open. Like, schools are still open, but Mitch and I are doing our best to, like, not go out places unless we absolutely have to. Which gets me to today's topic. We're picking up a new bunny. We have the other two boys and they're Netherland dwarves, and we decided we were going to get a mini lop. Oh, also, I don't think you guys have seen this yet if you haven't been on my Instagram.
My hair is now blue.
Blue! We look like a couple of cartoon characters.
A baby boy.
Lulu.
He looks like Lord
he's so
Farquaad with his
dirty.
haircut.
And
the
like,
bowl.
the new jacket. Where's Duff? I found her. She's in the Suspiria merch.
In our band's merch, we don't have to dust off the dog hair. My crooked driving.
You know what?
My crooked driving. It's not that crooked.
Hello. He had to have a haircut before he came home. She said something about their house flooded, so his hair needs to grow back. He's so chill.
The ears? My God.
Oh.
He's so flat. Look at the length of that ear. Feet on him are like huge. Oh, these ears. Look at them. You can hear your thoughts.
You want this? Or are you too scared?
He's eating already. Hey, look.
Let's see if these two get
Look how
along.
beautiful he is. Mr. Cakes, you're very good.
You're okay.
You seem pretty chill. Rachel has a thing with animals. He likes them kind of scruffy. Scruffy and dirty. Meanwhile, him, I like him clean and beautiful. I'm like, I don't even want to touch him yet. He's too dirty.
Look at the foot.
His ears and his feet are like insane. Hold the ears up.
Oh yeah, they're big ears.
Compare them ears to Mr. Cakes'.
Look what arrived in the mail today. This is a tension rod and I got it from Bunnies. So I was able to put it in this little opening that we have. Hi Mitch.
Stop.
This little opening that we have without any screws or anything, and I'm pretty sure it holds up to, I think it was up to 10 kilos. And then I've got these little like plant hangers, put some little plants in it. And this guy's settling in. It's a couple of days later now, so things have changed again. I feel like it's been so hard to film this vlog. I wanted to film it all in one day. Oh, what is going on with my hair? But then I've had clients where I've had to change training programs, I've had to change nutrition programs, and really I'm gonna put them first because my work affects their day-to-day lifestyle. Let me put this on a tripod, this is really annoying. You've probably seen from the start of the vlog to now, things have changed. At the start of the vlog, I could still go to the shop. At the start of the vlog, I could still go to the butcher and whatever, but now we're on total lockdown. We're not supposed to be leaving our houses really for anything other than like bare essentials or if you still have to go to work. And actually this afternoon I'm gonna have a little video chat with Rachel and Anna.
Hi! Hello!
So we have
How's it going?
these two here, and we're just having a little hangout, a little chat, which will be fun. Because I feel like it's not the same on Messenger, is it? When you're just like...
Texting, it's not the same.
No. Alright, that video chat ran a little bit later than I thought it would, but I wanted to wrap it up here, say goodbye to you guys before I have my dinner, and I'll catch up with you in my next video. I hope you're all safe, I hope you're all well, and I'll see you next time.